It's racing time. We've got a scramble for front position. Yes, Kitty moving up down on the inside. TJ's Gold to take the lead. Then followed by the rail by Florida Blanca. On the outside, Senny Sebiorum. In between runners comes Dream Lover. Oyster Perpetual moving up. Then followed by Alajero Silver Chump. He's the tail ender as they pass the half-mile pole. With three runners fighting it out for the lead, Florida Blanca. Yes, Kitty moving up on the outside, then dropping back in second. TJ's Gold moving up is Florida Blanca. Then on the outside, Senny Sebiorum, Dream Lover, Oyster Perpetual, Silver Chump, and Alajero now in behind them as they race at the final corner with Yes Kitty leading the field. Florida Blanca by the rail, then running on the outside, TJ's Gold, Senny Sebiorum, Silver Chump, Oyster Perpetual, but still Yes Kitty by about 2 lengths with 75 meters to race. Rodeo Fernandez on Yes Kitty. Second, TJ's Gold, then comes Senny Sebiorum, Silver Chump, Oyster Perpetual, 5 Dream.
Ayan.